I've made a few slings with this whipped transition, and it's got a Turk's head knot as the release knot. I've done something very similar with the Harlequin sling, again whipped transitions through to a release knot with a Turk's head. Now I've had a comment on, I think it was video 28, from somebody called @BeachHBob, so thank you very much for making this observation. And it's a design flaw to do with those release knots. So this is one of my first slings that's used a Matthew Walker knot as a release knot. And to be perfectly honest, I think the Matthew Walker as a release knot is a better idea than these. So what's the problem then? Well, the problem is that these release knots, which are Turk's heads, are actually secured by this bit of whipping. And on this one, I didn't do enough whipping, and so the Turk's head knot pulled straight off the end. But unless you're going to do a load of whipping like there is behind this one, that knot's not going anywhere, then you're going to lose that end knot. So it's probably the best idea is, unless you're going to do a bucket load of whipping like there is on the Harlequin sling, to use a Matthew Walker knot as your release knot, and that way your sling's going to stay intact for longer. But I think Matthew Walker's as a release knot is the way forward, because unless you do all this whipping, you're going to lose this end knot. It's been suggested it was because the ends were cracking, it was cracking the knots off, but I think it's more to do with the pressure of the ammunition. Whatever the cause is, it's not ideal. So yeah, if you're going to do this, use a Matthew Walker. Thanks for watching. Bye.